Hello and welcome to one more video. Today we have a farm to show you with a construction to rebuild and makes boundary with a river. Let's go see it. There is the limit, there, and we got big trees, but makes boundary with this. There you have the river, the boundary, and then goes up in here. See in there the construction. Construction is the limit. Back in the days this was used to make oil, olive oil. Now it's to totally rebuild. This is in their article, so you can rebuild it. Clean this up, open the view to the river, into the rest of the property. And there's the river, and here's the property. That trees are in the property too, these little ones. The big ones are from the neighbor, and the property goes like the building up into that pines. Two lines, one here, one there. And goes up to the hill. The stone, that part's construction too, and that big pines are in the property too. This is the part of the construction, and there is the river. And now we are going to see this part, some trees. That construction, this is the road access. The access is from to the property and to the neighbor too. These big trees are in the neighbor. This is the limit. The trees is the limit. And here, straight, and goes up into the pines. And here the limit is the river into the construction. Very quiet place. You have some neighbors, but they are a distance. You can see it in there. There's some neighbors in there next to the main road, and this is the access to the property. the neighbors. So again, the limits are these big trees in here, and then came and goes up into these pines, up into the hill. All this was to put the olive, to make the olive. All this is from the property. There's the construction. These trees are in the property. These constructions are in the property too. The people put here their olives, and then to make here the olive oil. The property goes up into the hill to all these pines. The limit is about here. You have here, so this is the limit of the construction in there. In here you have another access, but this is to the neighbor property. So the limit is here in the construction. It comes straight and goes up into the hill, to the pines. And this is the access. I have here a road, dirt road, that you can come with a normal vehicle. As you can see, and this is the property. The property here, there is only pines, is this hill, and have only these pines. If you want it, you can cut the pines, get some money, and then put the money in the rest of the property. Let's go enter the property, and here the access that gave access to the neighbor, this part, these big trees, and then this pine already have in the property, and then goes up into the hill. In the winter the water runs here. They use this for irrigation of the fields. Nowadays no one's used it. And then you have the river in there, and the construction in here. The ruin is is for totally repair because it's in a bad shape. But look at this view. And beautiful river. Very quiet place. And that's it. Any questions, any doubts, please let us know. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye. And 5 minutes from the property you have this beautiful river beach.